In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add users in a project role in Jira. If you're managing a project in Jira and need to streamline collaboration by assigning roles to your team members, you've come to the right place. Whether you're a project manager, assigning roles for the first time, or a team member looking to better understand your project setup, this step-by-step guide will help you accomplish your goals with ease. First off, let's start by navigating to the project you are managing in Jira. Begin by logging into your Jira account and selecting the project from your dashboard. Once you're in the project, take a moment to locate your project's name on the top panel. Right next to it, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is commonly referred to as the More Options menu. These 3 little dots are your gateway to additional project management tasks. Go ahead and click on them. Once you've accessed this menu, the next step is to look for the option labeled Add People. Selecting this will open up a dialog box where you have the authority to specify which users or groups you wish to add to your project. This interface will present you with a search field, and here you can type in the name, group, or email address of the user or group you'd like to add. This method is quick and efficient, especially if you already have your team members' details at hand. For those of you who work in a multi-platform environment, Jira offers seamless integration with popular services like Google, Slack, or Microsoft. Adding users from these platforms is a breeze and ensures that your team's collaboration is uninterrupted and centralized. Once you've pinpointed the user or group you wish to add, it's time to assign their role within the project. Jira graciously provides a drop-down menu of roles such as administrator, member, or viewer. Each of these roles is vital as they outline the level of access and permissions each team member will have within the project. Choose wisely, considering the responsibilities and access level each team member requires for the project's success. After making these decisions, the final step is simply to click the Add button. With this action, you are officially assigning your selected user or group to the designated project role, allowing them to engage with the project according to their permissions. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added users to your project's roles in Jira. This process not only helps in allocating responsibilities efficiently, but also greatly enhances your project's workflow and productivity. Remember, assigning the right project roles is crucial in achieving your project goals effectively and efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful in managing your projects in Jira.